What's up guys, welcome back to the next video learning C++. My name is QDS Danny and you guys watching my channel Cryowood. Alright, so in the previous video we have created our vector and we have said the size of the vector when we started is 0. Now we expanded the size is 20 and now we have excess elements of the vector. Okay, so now how are we gonna end another like 10 here at the end of the vector? So that's what we're gonna do in this video. We're gonna put some elements here at the end of the vector because as I said to you guys, vectors are dynamic arrays, so you can grow and shrink as you guys can go, but you guys can won't be able to do that with the array, with the normal array, because the arrays by itself is a fixed size array. Okay, so now if you guys look in here, we have used unsigned int here with the I here, and keep in mind some compiler use int I as I've done it before, but because I was getting error I have used the unsigned int. But just to let you guys know that with this size, some compilers, if you use int I is okay, but some compilers they'll give you error for some reason, because the size is except sometime I int and sometimes it takes unsigned int. So if you guys get an error, say for example, if you guys don't understand, if you guys using this one, the inbuilt library here inside the vector, you guys make sure you guys put it unsigned if you guys error. But it's just a warning, but it's not a like a fatal or something that is you guys sometimes see the red, but that's not like that. Okay, so we're gonna come here as I said to you guys. Then we're gonna copy one of these, maybe on the top ones, or you guys can copy maybe this one here, because push values at the end of the vector is gonna grow, so we're gonna put more values here. So we're gonna copy this one back. It's gonna be again the pushback, because as I said to you guys can grow and shrink your vector. So here we are putting again, say push values at the end of the vector. Now we're going to do it again, because at the moment our vector is going to be like still 20 and our size is 20, so we want to push it more. We want to grow our, as I said, vectors can grow and shrink, so we're going to double our vector. So here we're going to display the element of the vector. Our we're going to go, say the element of the vector is, say we add adding elements to the vector, adding elements onto our vector. Okay, so now we're gonna add some more elements at the end of the to our vector. I is 0, the same ones. I is we put it less than 20, then I plus plus, and we put a I, then here you guys needs to put a plus, then plus we put a 20. Okay, so now the size of the vector, now we're going to check the size of the vector. Now keep in mind this is still the same vector, it's x. It's not we haven't created any other vectors, so we are increasing the size. So if you look in here, the size is exactly the same loop. So we assign 0 to I is less than 20, or you guys can put any other number. I will increment the I, and here we're using the inbuilt function inside the vector, which is push back, and we put an I plus 20. So because we're gonna double our array. So that if the size is say 15, we're going to put another 15 on. If the size is 20, we're going to put another 20 on top. And here we are just checking the size of the double size. So if you're going to put a double size of our vector now is, and we're going to check the size of our vector. Okay, so we started with 0, now it's 20, and here we added 20, and now that was keep in mind it's start from 0, and then now a lot of you might be wondering why it's 19, because it starts from 0. And if you start from 1, it's going to be 20. If you start from 0, it's going to be 90, but it's 20 elements. So now we have added another 20, is going to be 40. So how cool is this array? As I said to you guys, I have proved to you guys, you guys can grow, and you guys can shrink your array. So how you guys going to create show the contents of the vector? So as that's going to be exactly like this here. So the display whatever you guys want to display. So we're gonna come here, and now we're gonna display all the contents again. It's gonna be the same formula. So the double element, so I'm gonna put it in uppercase, so you know double element of vector is, so we already know that it's gonna be the double, and we're going to put it for I is equal to 0 I x dot size, and we're going to increment the I, and here now we're going to come here, and now we're going to put some sort of and now we're going to put it here. We're going to put a v of element of I equal to, so now here we're going to put a okay. So we have used this one, and we're going to check. Now we're going to access the element of the I, and keep in mind we put it till 20, and now we're going to put it till say another 20, and then we're going to count till whatever our array is. So keep in mind we start from 0, and our array is all the way to say from 0 to 19. From 0 to 19 is going to be all the way to 39, because one goes from all the way to 19, and this one's going all the way to say 39. So it's all 20 elements, but you guys are going to see the 39, because here we start from 0. We are not starting from 1. If you start from 1, you're going to see the 40, because that's why you guys are going to see the 39. So keep in mind we have started from 0. We have added 20 elements, and now we displayed 20 elements. Now we added another 20 elements, double the size, and now we have access. So that's what is a dynamic array. So that's what but with the int you guys can do. Once you guys decided that you guys want to put your 20 elements inside your array, it's going to be 20. It's not going to go to 40. All right, that's it for this video. If you guys have any question or comment, leave in the comment box. Otherwise, I'll see you guys in the next video, and bye.